Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So today we will start chapter 17, that is can, may, will, would, could. Okay, so let us see what this picture has to say and what are the lines here. Can you guess the leaves of which plant are shown in the picture? Read the discussion. So we have to see which plant's leaves are these. These leaves could be from a rubber plant. So it could be from a rubber plant. No, they cannot be because they are too small. They might be from a mango tree then. So this is the discussion between A, B. Then again A says they might be from a mango tree then. Then C says they could have been, but the shape does not match. Then D says, look carefully at the shape and color. They must be from a money plant. A, do you think they will let me carry this plant to school? So you see there are so many highlighted words like could, might, could, must, will. So what are these words? So you see the highlighted words in the above discussion expresses ability, possibility and permission to do something. So see, it could be means it has the ability that it can be a rubber plant, it might be a mango plant. Okay, so there is a ability, there is a possibility and permission. So do you think they will let me carry? So here what is there expressed? Which expression? The permission expression is expressed. So let us read more from this chapter. Words such as can, could, will, would, may and might are used to express ability. So these words, what are they used to express? Ability. So these are the ones that are used to express ability. To seek permission or to make a request also. So these words can also be used to seek permission or to make a request for expressing ability, for seeking permission and for making a request. Such words are called modals. So these words, what are modals? These words are called modals. The words which help us to express the ability of the word, to seek permission and to make a request, these words are called modals. Example, birds can fly but human beings cannot. So there is a possibility, the ability is that the bird can fly, and the ability of human being is that they cannot fly. Okay, may I come in? So this is someone is asking for, someone is requesting that can I come in? Okay, may I come in? Okay, now expressing ability, can, could. So can, could we are going to discuss in the expression of ability. When we use can when we want to say that we know how to do something. So when do we use can? We use can when we know how to do something, when we say that we know this particular thing. We use cannot when we want to say that we don't know how to do something. Okay, so we can write. So this is thing that I can write. I cannot drive, so I don't know how to drive. We use could and couldn't or could not when we want to say that we knew or did not know how to do something in the past. So this could and couldn't is used when we say that we knew something that has something to do in the past. So in the past, for the past form we use could or couldn't. When I was 5 I could cycle but I cannot swim. So when he was 5 I could cycle, I knew how to cycle but I could not swim. So that time I didn't know how to swim but I knew how to cycle. Next we have using can for making positive sentences. So we use the following formula to make positive sentences using can. So what is the formula over here? Subject plus can plus root form of the verb. Okay, like he can act well. Okay, he is the subject, can over here, and act over here the root form of verb. We can go to Agra in these vacations. So we again over here subject can and then go. Okay, Brinda can clear the English test if she studies hard. So again over here you see can. Using cannot for making negative sentences. So you see using cannot. So here using cannot we make negative sentences. So what is the formula for making negative sentence? Using cannot, subject plus cannot or can't plus root form of verb. So this is the formula for making negative sentence. Like Sonakshi cannot sing well. So you see subject plus cannot and over here sing. Now root form of verb. They here subject cannot win the cricket match. So they is the subject cannot and win over here the root form of verb. Then Ranveer cannot drive a car properly. So Ranveer over here the subject cannot and drive is the root form of verb. Next we have using can for making questions. Now using can for making questions. So what is the formula over here? First we add can, then the subject and then the root form of verb ending with a question mark. Okay. Can she sing well? So can first, subject over here is sing. She, and sing is the root form of verb. Then can she become a singer one day? Can, subject is she. So become a singer. Next can I have a sandwich for breakfast please? So can is the root form of, can over here, I is the subject and have is the root form of verb. Okay. So this was for the can. Okay. Now we have for the expressing of ability. Now we use seeking permission. For seeking permission, what do we use? We use can and may. Can and may are used for seeking permission to do something. Okay. When we ask for something, we use either can or may for asking for permission. We use can when we are talking to our friends. Okay, can we use when we talk to our friends. It is used in informal situation. So can it is used for informal situation. We use may for asking permission when we need to be formal. So for formal permission we use may. Okay. So for informal situation we use can and for formal we use may. Can I eat some cupcakes? So it is like informal. May I help you, sir? So it is a formal one. May I go to the next classroom? Again it is an formal expression. Can I use your pen? So this is a informal situation. Okay, so this was for seeking permission. So this was all for today's class. In the next class we will be doing making requests, can, could, will, would, and we will also do the exercise of this chapter. So we will leave the chapter till here. I would request you to please go through the chapter till where I have taught. Okay, go through the formulas over here. Okay, and that was all for today's class. Thank you.